Imagine this: you fall asleep thinking marijuana will help you rest, but inside your brain, the opposite may be happening. New neuroscience research reveals a truth most people never hear. Cannabis may make you feel sleepy, but it can secretly weaken the very architecture of your sleep. As the effects set in your brain's electrical rhythms begin to change, the deep, slow wave sleep that restores memory, repairs cells and balances emotion becomes lighter, shorter, and fragmented, and the REM cycles that sharpen creativity and emotional resilience, they can be dramatically reduced. Here's the surprising twist: the relaxing sensation people feel isn't identical to real restorative sleep. It's closer to sedation, a calm that quiets awareness but doesn't fully nourish the brain. The cannabinoids that initially ease anxiety can also disrupt the delicate dance of neurotransmitters responsible for high-quality sleep. And when marijuana is used habitually, the brain adapts, often demanding more just to create the same effect. But there's another layer: nutrition. Omega-3s, magnesium, certain amino acids, and phytonutrients directly affect the endocannabinoid system, the same system marijuana targets. Supporting it naturally can strengthen sleep regulation without creating dependency. So the real question becomes: neuroscientists now understand that marijuana's impact on sleep isn't just about falling asleep, it's about what happens after you drift off. THC shortens REM sleep, which is the stage where the brain performs emotional housekeeping, processing stress, balancing mood, and rewriting days' experiences into long-term memory. When REM is suppressed night after night, people often wake up feeling mentally dull, emotionally reactive, or strangely unrefreshed even after a full night in bed. And here's a hidden cost: withdrawal. When someone stops using marijuana after consistent nighttime use, REM sleep rebounds sharply, producing vivid dreams, restlessness, and harder to control sleep cycles. It's the brain trying to reclaim what it lost. This rebound doesn't mean damage, it means recovery, but many people misinterpret it and think they can't sleep without weed, creating a cycle of dependence. There's more: chronic cannabis use may reduce natural melatonin in rhythms, disrupt circadian timing, and increase nighttime awakenings. Combined, these changes can silently erode mental performance during the day: slower learning, weaker recall, reduced focus, and increased mental fatigue. But here's the empowering part: the brain is highly adaptable with the right practices, nutrition, light exposure, breathwork, and nightly routines. You can rebuild deep sleep even after years of cannabis-dependent nights. If you want to improve sleep while protecting brain performance, the approach must be strategic. First, support your endocannabinoid system. Naturally, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, chia seeds, walnuts help your brain build the fatty receptors marijuana binds. Magnesium glycinate calms neural excitation, helping your brain drift into deeper, slow-wave sleep without artificial sedation. Tart cherry extract boosts natural melatonin in bananas, pumpkin seeds, and dark leafy greens provide tryptophan and vitamin B6, nutrients essential for the serotonin and melatonin in pathway. Next, protect your circadian rhythm. Get bright light into your eyes within the first hour of waking. It resets your internal clock and stabilizes nighttime sleep hormones at night. Dim lights and minimize screens to allow natural melatonin to rise. If you use marijuana, use it intentionally, not as a nightly crutch. Avoid smoking or vaping late at night. If you use cannabis earlier in the evening, produces less sleep disruption, and take breaks, even short pauses, help restore natural REM and deepen sleep stages. Your brain is built to heal with science-backed habits, smart nutrition, and awareness of how cannabis interacts with your neural circuits. You can reclaim deep, restorative sleep and wake up sharper, calmer, and cognitively stronger.